Hi, let's learn about the scientific notation. Exponents provide an efficient way of writing and computing with very large or very small numbers. For instance, there are about 1 sextillion 260 quintillion liters of water on Earth. That is 126 followed by 19 zeros. It is convenient to write such numbers in scientific notation. This notation has the form plus or minus c multiplied by 10 power n, where c is between 1 and 10. Moreover, 1 is included but 10 is not. Then n is any integer. As you can see, there is no decimal point in this number, which means the decimal point is in the last. As per the scientific notation, before the decimal point the number has to be 129. So let's drag the decimal point prior to 21 places or digits, that is, behind the number 1. So the number of liters of water on Earth can be written in the scientific notation as 1.26 multiplied by 10 power 21. The positive exponent 21 indicates that the number is large and the decimal point has been moved 21 places. A negative exponent indicates that the number is small, less than 1. For instance, the size of a bacterium is approximately 0.0000085 mm. As per the scientific notation, before the decimal point the number has to be 129. So let's drag the decimal point after 7 places or digits, that is, behind the number 8. So the size of a bacterium can be written in the scientific notation as 8.5 multiplied by 10 power minus 7 mm. To figure out the power of 10, think how many places do I move the decimal point. When the number is 10 or greater, the decimal point has to move to the left and the power of 10 is positive. When the number is smaller than 1, the decimal point has to move to the right, so the power of 10 is negative. More examples. Write the following in scientific notation. Let's solve the first one. Scientific notation says that before the decimal point, the number has to be 129, but here's 0. So let's drag the decimal point after 5 places, that is after 7. We can be written in scientific notation as 7.82 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. Now let's look at this one. There is no decimal point in this number, which means the decimal point is being in the last. The scientific notation says that before the decimal point the number has to be 129. But here is a large number. So let's drag the decimal point prior to 11 places, that is after 4. By doing so, we can write this in scientific notation as 4.678 multiplied by 10 power 11. The last one. Again, the scientific notation says that before the decimal point the number has to be 129, but 1642 is here. So let's drag the decimal point prior to 3 places, that is after 1. We could be written this in scientific notation as 1.642398 multiplied by 10 power 3. Let's now multiply a very small and a very big number. For example, in order to multiply 2 times 10 power 7 and 3 times 10 power minus 11, first we grouping like things. Here 2 and 3 first, then 10 power 7 and 10 power minus 11. So 2 times 3 is 6. Here we can apply the product rule. which says that when the bases are same, write the base and add the powers. By doing so, 10 power 7 plus minus 11, which means 6 times 10 power 7 minus 11. So we get 6 times 10 power minus 4. Summary. To put your new knowledge into practice, try the your turn questions below.